Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have all of my 3 boxes, so we're going to be unboxing them. I am super impressed with Birchbox, like they are coming in at the same time as my Glossybox, which is amazing. Thumbs up for that speedy delivery and that improvement on the delivery. So if you want to see what I got in my boxes, then just keep on watching. Since I'm praising Birchbox so much, let's start with them. So this is what the box looks like. Super cute. Reminds me of, you know, like traditional folk Slavic kind of design, which is really cute. And these are the contents. And the first thing in the box is this Grow Gorgeous Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask. So this is what it looks like. This is great. Recently I have been just loving receiving hair products and trying them out on my hair. Like I had to cut out a lot of my hair because they were literally just, you know, crumbled at the back. So I'm doing everything I can with all these products that I get to, you know, try to recover them and, you know, not cut out as much. So yeah, really cool product. Next up I have the Benefit Posy tint. So this is what it looks like. This is a this is a lip and cheek tint, and let me just open it up so that I can show you the color. It looks super bright pink, but probably isn't as bright. So this is what it looks like. It's a cool toned pink, but it looks lovely, and I love that they've improved the applicator, that it's actually a doe foot now, not a brush, because honestly I have 2 more of these. I have the Go-Go tint and the Cha-Cha tint, and honestly I don't use them because of that applicator. But since now we have a sponge tip, well, a doe foot applicator, I'm definitely gonna try and use it up or use it more frequently. Next up I have the Baija. It's French because it says B-A-I-J-A Paris, so I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is a body cream. Now this is something that I'm sick of getting. I have so many body creams that I just can't go through them. I'm not a person that uses body cream that often. I only really use it whenever I do a self tan, but yeah, kind of sick of getting them, but you know, that's just my personal opinion. Next up I have the Model Co Highlighting Shimmer Whip. So that's the outer packaging. Doesn't tell you much, but this is the actual thing. Doesn't that look super cute? Like that looks high-end to me. But I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. I love that color. Champagne gold shade, reminds me of the ColourPop on the Cusp highlighter actually. But this is what it looks like. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And you know what, this is exactly what I have been missing all summer. I wanted a shimmery highlighter that I could mix in with my body cream to create this lovely, you know, shine on my collarbones and on my legs, and I didn't have that. But oh, and it dries down actually. That's interesting. I'm excited to put this into my Shop My Stash to give it a try because it looks promising. And the last thing that we have in the box is the Marcel Micellar Water for normal skin. Super handy. I love these things. You can take them on a trip, you can take them traveling, you know, and it's the perfect size for it. All you need is a few cotton wipes, or you buy the cotton wipes wherever you are, and you have a micellar water on the go. I use micellar water to remove most of my makeup, then I go in with a face wash obviously, but you know, I just love micellar water because it gets rid of the majority of my makeup with ease. Next up we have Glossybox. And the first thing that we have is this Colgate Max White Charcoal Toothpaste. This is pretty good. I love charcoal toothpaste. They, you know, whiten your teeth, and I know they might be a little bit abrasive, I guess, but you know, my teeth are doing good so far since I've been using it. a charcoal toothpaste, and I've been using charcoal toothpaste for a while now, so you know, I think my teeth are okay. But I love this, and it's a full size, so I guess I won't have to buy a toothpaste anytime soon. Next up I have the Mitchell & Peach Flora #1 Fine Edition Eau de Parfum. So this is what it looks like, and this is it's blended in England with pure essential oils from the Mitchell estate. So let's give it a whip. Not my favorite scent. That's all I'm going to say. Next up I have the May Banana Setting Powder with added hyaluronic acid. Wow, this is a mineral based product. It is paraben free, it's animal cruelty free, and it is vegan, so great. But I can see right away that this is definitely not a shade for me. Wait a minute, let me show you. Do you see that? It's let me turn down the brightness. It's a little too yellow for my taste, so yeah, I'll probably give this to my friend, which is a lot darker skin toned than me, and I'm sure she'll love it, but unfortunately I won't get any use out of it, and I'm not going to even try, because yeah, I don't want to ruin my makeup. Next up I have the Carrots Love Hearts Fun Edition Hand Gel. So this is what it looks like. I've tried it already. I put it on my hands, and oh my god, it smells like Love Hearts. Oh, so good. I had a hand gel before, and it was supposed to have, I think, a peachy or an orange scent, but it literally just smelled like alcohol, so it wasn't the best. But this one, you can't really smell the alcohol. All you can smell are the Love Hearts, which is great. I'm definitely going to have it at my desk in work, because yeah, you know, you need it there. Next up I have the Palmer's Coconut Formula Deep Conditioning Protein Pack. So this is a hair mask. Woo, we have another hair product. Lovely. And this is very generous. I mean, for my hair length, I probably could do 3-4 uses out of it, which is great, which is definitely enough for me to find out if I like it or not, or if I want to repurchase it or not afterwards. So yeah, this is great, and Palmer's brand creates great hair products and body products, so I am excited to try this out. Next up we have the Delicious, so like Delhi, you know, Indian, Hindu Delhi, Hello Beautiful. Oh Jesus, this packaging is full of puns. Exfoliate and Glow Original Black Tea Body Scrub. So this is what it looks like. I can't, this is amazing, those puns. It is 100% natural, vegan and cruelty free, and it is formulated to both brighten and deeply nourish skin from head to toe. This is perfect for exfoliating obviously, but if you are a self tanner like myself, you know, it's always good to exfoliate your body before you apply a fresh tan. So I'll definitely get some good uses out of it. But yeah, I still can't believe those puns. Amazing. And the last thing is actually a chocolate bar. So this is the Godiva or Godiva Masterpieces Caramel Lion with Belgian milk chocolate. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna have it right after this video. What can I say? Milk chocolate, love it. Caramel, oh, even better. So thank you Glossybox for this little treat. Last but not least is the LookFantastic box, and oh my god, it's so sparkly, not even sparkly but reflective. It is a birthday edit. So LookFantastic celebrated 5 years this month, so super cute, and I can't wait to see what I got. First up is this Molten Brown Orange and Bergamot Bath and Shower Gel. So super luxurious Molten Brown, we all know and love it, and I love the size. Again, perfect for traveling, because where else would you be using that? Next up is this Pixie by Petra lip gloss. Wait, let me read what's in the box to actually find out what it is. It's a lip lift max in the shade Honey Sheen. So it is actually a plum pink one, I think. Yeah, it's a lip gloss, great size, not too big, not too small. Definitely gonna try it out in my next shop, or maybe not my next, but in one of my Shop My Stashes. Next up, I have the Sleek Eyebrow Stylist in the shade Medium. So we have a spoolie on one end, and then when we open it up, oh, it is a diamond shaped, should be able to see that, yeah, eyebrow pencil. And let me try out the color. So this is the color. Might be pulling a little bit too red, but you know, I don't know how it's gonna look on my eyebrows, so I'm gonna give it a try and see. Maybe it might be perfect, maybe it's just the color of my hand, you never know. But yeah, it was creamy when I was applying it, so it should be good. Next up, I have the Oskia London. What are you, oh, what's up with these names? I can't pronounce them. Renaissance Cleansing Gel, and it is a illuminating vitamin melting cleanser. Oh, so is it like a cleansing oil? Maybe. Oh yes. Oh, so in the directions it says massage onto dry skin until melted into an oil. Yes, I love, absolutely love cleansing oils. They remove every single last piece of makeup on your skin. It's just amazing. But this is what the packaging looks like, and it is a decent size. Thanks LookFantastic, love it already. Next up, I have the Bubble Tea X LookFantastic. So it's a collaboration between them. It's a bath fizzer, so basically it is a bath bomb, and it says like, do not eat me, so don't try to eat it, okay? I don't have a bath, unfortunately, but I always keep those bath bombs to whenever we go into a hotel and I remember to take it, and that hotel has a bath in the bathroom, so that I could use it, you know, whenever I'm actually having a proper bath rather than the shower. So yeah, I keep them. I love them. I've tried them before. They're really fun, and you know, the smell that they give, and just the kind of feeling, you know, you're kind of feeling bougie whenever you apply that, or whenever you put that into the bath. So yeah, cool. And the last little thing is this Caudalie Premier Crew, the eye cream. Sorry, my nose is scratching, so I had to do it. But this is what it looks like. It's a tiny little sample, but it is an eye cream, so you know, you don't really use that much. The eye oil that I'm using right now is the Dr. Botanicals one, and I still have more than half left of it, and I've been using it consistently for like half a year now. So realistically speaking, this is going to take you a long time to use up. So that is it, you guys. These are all the things that I've received in this month's beauty boxes. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.